Okay, I kind of have the color I want. You probably really can't tell because it's a video. Yeah. So we're just gonna flip it over. The alarm didn't went off. And I been took whatever. So like I said, we're not gonna try to cook them. We just want to give it the crunchy experience. So we're probably gonna do this for like another 30 seconds to a minute. Just so we can get like that little color to it. And then we're gonna put it in the drainer and we're gonna start our next batch. I had to actually add another egg because I didn't have milk, so the egg really didn't expand like it usually does with the milk. So if you don't do it with milk, you're gonna do 2 eggs. If you do use milk, you're just gonna need 1 egg. So I'm gonna finish making this batch with the flour and the egg, and I'm gonna probably be finished with this. It's gonna be like this color, the other side, and I'll be back. All right.